Belief is a fundamental aspect of human cognition, influencing our perceptions, decisions, and behaviors. Whether religious, political, or personal, beliefs shape how we interpret the world around us and guide our actions. Welcome to JASPER HARUSKA TV. Please like, share, and subscribe. Exploring the psychology of belief provides insights into why people hold certain convictions, how beliefs are formed and maintained, and the consequences of different belief systems. This lecture delves into the multifaceted nature of belief, examining its cognitive, social, and emotional dimensions. Number 1. Cognitive foundations of belief. Belief formation begins with cognitive processes such as perception, memory, and reasoning. Our brains constantly interpret sensory information and construct beliefs about the world based on past experiences and cultural influences. Cognitive biases, such as confirmation bias and hindsight bias, play a significant role in reinforcing existing beliefs and filtering out contradictory evidence. Furthermore, heuristics, or mental shortcuts, help us make quick judgments but can also lead to erroneous beliefs. Understanding these cognitive mechanisms is crucial for comprehending why individuals may cling to certain beliefs despite evidence to the contrary. Number 2. Social influences on belief. Beliefs are not formed in isolation but are heavily influenced by social factors. Family, peers, media, and societal institutions shape our beliefs from an early age, providing frameworks through which we interpret reality. Social identity theory suggests that people derive a sense of belonging and self-esteem from adhering to shared beliefs within their social groups. Moreover, groupthink can lead to the uncritical acceptance of beliefs within cohesive groups, stifling dissent and critical thinking. The dynamics of social influence highlight the interplay between individual cognition and collective behavior in shaping belief systems. Number 3. Emotional underpinnings of belief. Emotions play a crucial role in belief formation and maintenance, often overshadowing rational considerations. Beliefs are deeply intertwined with our desires, fears, and values, providing emotional comfort and security. Cognitive dissonance theory posits that people experience discomfort when their beliefs conflict with reality, leading them to either modify their beliefs or rationalize contradictory evidence. Additionally, emotional appeals are frequently used in persuasive communication to sway beliefs, appealing to people's hopes, anxieties, and prejudices. Recognizing the emotional dimensions of belief sheds light on why individuals may resist changing their convictions even in the face of overwhelming evidence. Number 4. The evolutionary significance of belief. From an evolutionary perspective, belief systems have served adaptive functions for human survival and cooperation. Shared beliefs foster group cohesion, enabling collective action and cooperation in addressing common challenges. Moreover, beliefs about the natural world and social norms have facilitated the transmission of knowledge across generations, enhancing the fitness of human communities. However, the same mechanisms that once conferred evolutionary advantages can also lead to conflict and irrationality in modern societies. Understanding the evolutionary origins of belief provides insights into its persistence and variability across cultures. Before we proceed, have you subscribed? Please do if you haven't, as it goes a long way in helping this channel grow, and don't forget to like, share and comment, as it makes the algorithm to recommend this channel to more people to benefit from. Let's proceed. Number 5. The formation and transformation of belief. Beliefs are not static but dynamic constructs that can change over time in response to new information, experiences, and social influences. The process of belief formation involves a complex interplay between cognitive, emotional, and social factors. Initially, individuals may adopt beliefs through socialization processes or personal experiences. However, exposure to diverse perspectives, critical thinking, and cognitive dissonance can prompt belief revision or abandonment. Furthermore, transformative events such as trauma, religious conversion, or ideological shifts can profoundly alter an individual's belief system. Examining the mechanisms underlying belief formation and transformation elucidates the plasticity of human cognition and the potential for ideological change. Number 6. The consequences of belief. Beliefs have far-reaching consequences for individuals and societies, shaping attitudes, behaviors, and social structures. On an individual level, beliefs influence decision-making processes, guiding choices related to career, relationships, and health behaviors. Moreover, beliefs about morality and justice underpin ethical frameworks and influence interpersonal interactions. At a societal level, shared beliefs can foster social cohesion and collective action, but also perpetuate inequalities and fuel conflict. Understanding the psychological mechanisms underlying belief can inform interventions aimed at promoting constructive dialogue, challenging harmful ideologies, and fostering social change. In conclusion, the psychology of belief encompasses a diverse array of cognitive, social, emotional, and evolutionary processes. Beliefs serve essential functions in human cognition, providing meaning, coherence, and guidance in navigating the complexities of the world. However, beliefs are not immune to biases, social influences, or emotional motivations, which can lead to irrationality, dogmatism, and intergroup conflict. By studying the formation, maintenance, and consequences of belief, psychologists can contribute to a deeper understanding of human behavior and inform strategies for promoting rationality, tolerance, and social harmony in diverse societies. Ultimately, unraveling the mysteries of belief offers insights into the fundamental nature of human cognition and the quest for meaning and understanding in an ever-changing world. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more psychological facts.